Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You've got your mic and interface connected. Now act. Open Logic Pro X and create a new project. Choose Empty Project for control. Click the plus button, pick Audio, and assign the track input to the interface channel your mic uses. Set the input monitoring off until you're ready. This prevents latency loops. Once done, name the track. Choose mono or stereo appropriately. Most vocals use mono, and arm the track for recording so Logic receives the signal. Now focus on clean levels and latency. On your interface, set gain so Logic's meters hit around -6 dB. This gives headroom and prevents clipping. In Logic Preferences Audio, choose an I/O buffer of 128 to 256 samples for acceptable latency while recording. Turn on low latency mode if plugins introduce delay, and consider direct monitoring from your interface for zero latency monitoring. Make sure any heavy plugins are bypassed during tracking to keep timing and feel natural. Hit record when you're ready. Use the metronome or a count-in to lock the take to tempo. After recording, review takes and use quick swipe comping to assemble the best phrases. Trim start and end points and add short fades to remove clicks. If you encounter problems, first verify input routing and that the track is armed. Next, check the interface driver, sample rate match between interface and project, and that no mute groups or software monitoring are blocking audio. Save versions as you go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.